Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about solution that is based on previous video. Question number 1. What is perspective? Perspective is the way that one looks at something. It is also an art technique that changes the distance or depth of an object on paper. An example of perspective is farmer's opinion about a lack of rain. An example of perspective is a painting where the railroad tracks appear to be curving into the distance. Next question, what is meant by prejudice in information? An unfavorable opinion or feeling formed beforehand or without knowledge, thought or reason. Any preconceived opinion or feeling, either favorable or unfavorable. Unreasonable feelings, opinions, or attitudes, especially of a hostile nature regarding an ethnic, racial, social, or religious group. Next, define self-management skills. Self-management skills are the abilities that allow people to control their thoughts, feelings, and actions. If you have strong self-management skills, you are able to set goals independently and take the initiative to achieve them. How can you organize yourself to study better? First point, make sure your space is comfortable. Second point, organize your files. Third point, schedule your time. Fourth point, stay organized online. Next question, why is time management essential to self-management? Time management is the ability to plan and control how you spend the hours in your day to effectively accomplish your goals. Where self-management helps you to avoid stress and provide you with more opportunities to get involved in important activities. So that is why time management is essential to self-management. So students, today I am going to teach you information and communication technology skills. In this session, you will learn about information and communication technology, applications of ICT, where it can be used like home, office, bank, education, business, healthcare and hospital, entertainment and sport, engineering and designing, government, social media, and weather forecasting. In the last of this session, I will discuss about some ICT tools like smartphones, tablet, radio, television, newspaper, email, interactive whiteboard, and e-readers. First, I will discuss about information and communication technology. Information and communication technology is the extension of information technology. ICT primarily focuses on internet, mobile phones, wireless network, etc. It allowed people to communicate in real time like instant messaging, video conferencing, etc. Next, application of ICT means in which places we can use information and communication technology. So you can see here, first I will discuss about home, how will you use information and communication technology in home. They are used at home to do homework, to solve sums, for listen to music and watch movies, to do online shopping, to book tickets for train, plane or a movie, and to send and receive messages. Next, office. It is used in office to send important messages, for preparing salary, for making presentations, and for typing, searching, storing, preparing and printing reports and information. Next, business. It is used in shopping malls and restaurants to keep a list of items and their prices and to calculate and print bills. It is used to improve the sales performance and provide better services to customer by providing certain services online. It facilitates the implementation of decisions which have been made by the detailed data analysis using computers. It also helps in streamlining, optimizing and automating certain internal processes to improve operational efficiency, which can help to optimize cost. It helps in quick communication of information. It is used in video conferencing where with the help of computers, people at two different locations are able to communicate using audio and video. This helps in saving time and money. Next, banks. It is used to store information about customers, to take out money from an ATM and to deposit and withdraw money from the internet. Education. The role of computer is very important since it is essential to teach the country's emerging citizens skills around computing and communications devices. It is necessary for the children to gain valuable knowledge about the software that operates these devices and applications that run on them and also the systems that are built with them. They are used in schools for many things. They are used to teach in classrooms, to make timetables, to keep fee records of students, to make test paper and report cards, to write circulars and to keep a record of books in the library. You can do research on any subject like science, mathematics, etc. You can find information on all topics. You can watch videos on any subject which will help you to understand and remember the concept easily. It is used for e-learning, which is learning utilizing electronic technologies to access educational curriculum outside of a traditional classroom. Next, marketing. It is also used in marketing and advertisement. Innovative ideas for advertising and marketing any product on television and internet are possible with computers. Exciting presentations are used to grab and keep the attention of the viewer in advertising. Next, healthcare and hospital. Computers play a critical role in improving health care for individuals and
communities by providing new and more efficient ways of accessing, communicating, and storing information in a database. It is also used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. ECG, EEG, ultrasound and CT scans, etc. are also done by computerized machine. They are used extensively in performing lab tests and prepare reports. Computers are used to check drug labels, expiry dates, harmful side effects, etc. They help in performing complicated surgeries too. Next, entertainment and sports. Computer graphics techniques are new, commonly used in making movies, animations and games to create many special effects. In movies, all difficult, impossible action scenes and effects are becoming possible only through computers' graphics. Computers are used for editing images and creating music. Use of multimedia in games has totally changed the gaming experience. Presently, all games provide fast action, 3D effects and high quality sound and motion effects using computers. Next, engineering and designing. Computers are widely used for engineering purposes. One of the major areas is CAD, computer aided design, that provides designing and modification of images. You can design bridges, house and flyover, etc. They are used to design cars, aeroplanes and other machines. They are used in publishing, for designing newspapers, books and magazines, etc. They are also used for designing clothes and jewelry. Next, government. It is used for exchange of information, communication, transaction and many other services between government and the citizens. It helps in maintaining records and analyzing the data of all citizens in the country. Next, social media. Online communication is rapidly becoming an essential life skill. New sites are launched every day to attract the young minds, starting with gaming and text messages to sharing pictures and videos. There are many sites which can be accessed using computers and internet for sharing news and information instantly with family, friends and colleagues such as Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Next, forecasting weather. Computers are used to forecast weather conditions, which is beneficial for farmers, fishermen and other people too. They are used to predict the speed and effects of approaching storms, etc. Next, booking tickets. Computers are used to book tickets for movies, flights, train, etc. Next, simulation. It is used for learning skills like flying an aeroplane, etc. using simulation and for launching and controlling satellites. Next, mobile computing. Mobile communication is one in which both the sender and receiver converse with each other while moving from place to place. The data is transmitted and receiving using microwave. Next, ICT tools. What is ICT tools. The devices such as computer, smartphones, radio, television, iPad, tablets, etc. that are used in information and communication technology are known as ICT tools. There are different types of ICT tools. First, smartphone. These are cellular phones that functions both as a phone and as a small PC. Small PC means personal computer. They may use a stylus or a pen or may have a small keyboard or touch screen for input. They are the easiest and simplest way of communication. They help you to stay in touch with your friends, relatives anytime and anywhere. They can be connected to the internet wirelessly. They are commonly used to access the internet to get any information on any subject, check mail, play game and listen to music. Next, tablets. Tablets. Tablets are small personal computers with a touch screen. They work on batteries. These are approximately the size of a hardcover book and resemble a large smartphone. Tablets allow user to input data and instructions through keyboard or mouse. Learning software called apps can be downloaded onto tablets. Next, radio. Radio is the oldest and most powerful tool used to provide entertainment and information to the people. Radio programs are broadcast to the whole world. You can listen to news, music, radio shows, discussions, dramas, and commentary of important events or games on a radio. Next, television. Television is another important ICT tools. It is a source that provides everyone with a lot of entertainment. It received broadcasting signals and turns them into pictures and sound. It brings a wide array of things to see, starting from movies, music, and it also helps to gain knowledge, as there are a lot of educative and informative programs that are shown daily. Next, newspaper. Newspaper is another most important ICT tools. It plays a great role in keeping us up to date about all over the world. It is a cheap source of information and many of us read them on a regular basis. Next, email. Email is the most common way of communication nowadays. Email is a short word for electronic mail. You can create text and send them over a network of computers. It is the official way of communication. The sender first types the message on a computer screen and then sends to the receiver. Next, interactive whiteboard. Interactive whiteboard is also known as smartboard. It is a large interactive display in the format of a whiteboard that reacts to user input either directly or through other devices. It is a large touch controlled screen that works with a projector, either mounted or not, to provide users with a large version of their computer screen. They can play various types of media and provide teachers with interactive lessons for their students. Last topic is e-readers. E-readers are portable electronic devices that can hold hundreds of books in digital form. E-readers have long battery life which will typically last for multiple weeks. Their main advantages over printed books are portability, since an e-reader is capable of holding thousands of books while weighing less than one book, and the convenience provided due to add-on features. Homework for today is first and second question are fill in the blanks. Third question, what are the things that can be designed using a computer? Next, how is the computer useful in the bank? Thank you.